Okay, ready? We're going to put shit back over here and you're going to have another sip. Okay, you have another sip and then you can have more. Have another cuddle with the sheep when you have a sip. Nuh-uh, have a sip first. Have a sip. Have a sip. Have a sip. Good boy. Good boy. There. Quick, there it is. I told you you could. I told you you could. Yes.